So if you have a machine and you're not loading and unloading with pallet jacks, you don't necessarily have to anchor it down. It's a good idea, but not a requirement. I want to show you where the anchoring points are on the machine. Right here you have an anchoring point, and on the opposite side. Now if you have and you want to load and unload with pallet jacks, manual pallet jacks, you get a ramp like this. It's about a 4-foot ramp, and then you definitely want to anchor down the ramp and the machine so that way it's not moving around at all. If you happen to get the unit with the integrated scale, don't anchor down the machine then, because it will affect the scale. Another thing to note, when you're looking down here, line it up. You do want to have a slight gap, because if you get too close to it, you're going to be touching the turntable as it spins. So it's okay, and you are supposed to have that slight gap. So we showed you what the standard pallet jack ramp looks like, which is fine for standard jacks that are 48 inches long or shorter. But if you have a longer jack or you have an electric walk behind pallet jack, you're going to want to use an extra extension. So if you look down here, we have the standard ramp here, which we used before, but then we have this extension piece. These join together with 4 bolts that you can tighten with a 17mm socket. And then you now have 2 more additional anchoring points. You have the ones up front here, and you have the ones that were on the other ramp over here. So this extra deck allows you more clearance so you can get the forks out of the load when you load and unload.